Hello friends, welcome. Beignet is what is in the plate today. We're adding sugar to a warm water. It has to be lukewarm water. That's what feeds this yeast. You could use any type of yeast. I experimented, it works. Fast rising or active yeast. So far, I think it's the same. I still prove them. I don't care. I still prove them because I don't want any problem at the end. This is how you know it's proven. The yeast is active now. Look at it. That's how you know that it's going to give you a wonderful beignet. You can already smell the yeast in the air. It's amazing. I added vanilla sugar essence because normally we add nutmeg, but I'm cooking for people who have different dietary needs. So I don't want to be in trouble. Normally use nutmeg. So they use any essence you like. I added a little salt at the end. I actually used bread flour this time because I want it to be very stretchy. Yeah, so I use bread. You can use regular flour. You mix it up very well. As you can see, it looks like a thick pancake batter. Just a tiny little bit thicker than pancake batter. Just a tiny little bit. Don't make it too hard because it become buns. Okay, we want beignet. We want it puff puff. Beignet puff puff.
Once it's smooth, you feel free to add egg, but I'm making it vegan today, so I don't know. As soon as you done it, cover it in a one place to rise. I'll get you that. How you know the beignet has grown? See lace. See this? You see this lacy? See how lacy it is? That's how you know. And it has risen. The hole has filled up the pot, the plate. So our beignet is ready. Look at it. It's beautiful.
Because there are so many recipes of beignet, donut, or whatever you call it. I fried it in medium-high heat. Vegetable oil. I had to be careful because of allergies and such. Vegetable oil, not peanut oil, vegetable oil. And then I fried till it was golden brown. Turn it from time to time, all round golden brown. But I like mine a bit darker, so I left mine a little bit darker. But as long as it's golden brown, it's cooked. It depends on your taste now. I like mine very, very dark. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. I really do. Film and choose peace bag. I can't wait to see you next time for another delicious episode of Auntie J Jenkins in the kitchen. Choose peace bag. Thank you. Mwah. Enjoy. Again, don't forget to subscribe, share, make your comments here on this section.